Hello everyone, just going to do a really quick video here. For any of you that work in Premiere Pro, you ever had that issue where you're done, you're ready to export, and so you go down, you hit export, hit media, whoops, come on, there we go, and nothing? You're just like, well, what's going on? Why isn't that doing it? Here's a really simple fix to that. It's so easy and dumb that, yeah. All you do is click right here. That's all you gotta do. Make sure this right here has a blue box. Go back up. Hit export, media, and this came up my other monitor. I apologize, but here you go. And now you can go through your settings and export how you want to. Really, really simple, easy fix. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Bye.